Hi everybody, my name is Andrew Cherin and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Seattle, and today I want to talk to you about stalled vehicles and the liability for those stalled vehicles. So if you ever are faced with a situation where your car stalls in the middle of the freeway, what should you do? You should turn on your hazard lights. You should try to notify people that your vehicle stopped. You should turn on lights if it's nighttime. You should put flares up. Do something to try to get your vehicle off to the side of the road, away from danger of being hit. Now, if your vehicle is hit and you haven't done some of these things, you could be facing potential liability and causing injury to someone if you don't do the proper steps to give people notice that your car is stopped and disabled on the side of the road. Pull it off to the side of the road as far as you can to the shoulder, turn on those hazard lights, set up flares, call the police, call the tow truck, do something actively to try to remedy the situation. Because if you don't do any of these things, if it's dark out, your lights aren't on, there's no way for someone to see you, someone hits you, it's probably going to be your fault. So there are, however, if you do these things, if you do have all these lights on, you have your hazard lights on, you try to pull over to the far side of the road, you call the tow truck driver, you've done some of these things, and someone plows into the back of your car while you're inside of it, they may be at fault for not for failing to be aware of traffic ahead of them and keeping a proper lookout for drivers that are on the side of the road. Um, so that's kind of one of the situations. If you are hit by someone like that, they have to keep their eyes out, not be distracted, keep proper distance and look out and speed for potential people that are stalled on the side of the road. However, you at the same time have to maintain your vehicle and keep it in proper and working order. So if you did something that caused your car to break down, such as you didn't maintain it properly by getting an oil change, doing proper maintenance, didn't fill up the gas tank, and you ran out of gas or something, didn't change your tires in time, you could be at fault for the car accident as well. In Washington State, there's joint and several liability and comparative fault. So for comparative fault, that means that your injuries will be offset based upon your percentage of fault for causing the car accident case, minus the comparative fault of the other person who caused the car accident or was involved in the car accident as well, and determining that offset price, what your case is actually worth at that point in time. So you have a lot of options if you're in this situation. It could be that you've done everything right, someone hits you and it's their fault, they were distracted, or vice versa. Someone didn't, you were the person driving the rear end, someone else, they didn't have their lights on, they didn't do everything right, and they caused a car accident. So give me a call. I give free consultations. My number is 206-850-6716, and you can visit me online at www.lawsharing.com.